Oh, look at this. So shiny claws. Let's see what measure the caviar are using.
This is 0.8, I believe.
It's not 0.8. It's 1. I believe it's a 1 millimeter. Yes. Shiny claws is 1 millimeter. 0.8 is a little bit smaller, so we love to doing it like once because it gives enough and not too much, not too big, not too small. But you can also do like we did have before with the bigger and smaller, and but if it's like the more on this size, a lot of people love to using it. I'm gonna do this one too, just be careful, and then I'm not gonna try to keep her finger flat. Thank you, Ali. And probably I'm gonna go back and then cap the underneath too. So put that in under the lamp for about 60 seconds. Huh? So I'm gonna put the top coat underneath. You don't have to, just optional. I do that for mine. So whenever I was seeing the clients and they see my nails or seeing my nails and they said, what is that sparkle and shiny on your nails? What did you do with it? I said, just put top coat underneath. So it makes it really nice because actually I'm using an Insta Clear tips, the extra long tips, so then that's it clear, so it doesn't matter whatever colors you do, or if you're doing a dramatic glitter, which is this one, you can see that how cool is that see-through, and the clients will like, oh my god, I want it too. So it's optional, you don't have to, but it's fun to do it for clients if they want to see. Like sometimes they talk with their hands and then they show you like this, and all they're seeing in the back of this is looks so stunning. So, and then that one we just need to clear for 60 seconds. You can do this one, and then we can go back to do a pre-seasoned glue for that. This one you can see that the glitter underneath cool though. It doesn't matter. This one you can do it too. Not necessary, but I'm gonna do it to make it all shiny. Just make sure you do it thin. You don't want it to flood it in the back. Lindsay, if someone was breaking a nail, can they go and get fixed? If someone gets broke the nails and get fixed, you mean that come to the salon and get fixed nails? In our salon, unfortunately, not. It sounds really sad, but if you are my clients, if you are our clients, come in and get the service from us, yes, because the reason is that we don't, no offense it is, we love to see all the clients, just because if we don't have exact the same products, unless you have like clear nails, and maybe we can fix, but then because our shape, our structure doing it different, so we don't want the client to be so disappointed by fixing one nails and the structure and the shape is different from other salon. So the clients were expecting to be the same, or if we couldn't get any of the same colors, and make more disappointed for them than do them a favor. And we'll find out that happens so many times with us. So either the clients like have to, I don't know how we, and then we don't work on other people's work because we don't know what type, you know, no offense, a lot of nail tech is so talented using good product, but we're not sure and we don't know what we're working on the top of the product to be keep it the highest quality of the works. We, you know, asking the clients if they are like willing to remove their set, so then we can start with the brand new ones, because we only take the clients from us doing a fill if they're doing a clear nails. then they apply the gel polish on. But if they have liquid and powder, which is the color acrylic, and they want a new set, like say if they have a red set, they want to do pink set, actually it's going to be remove completely the set to do the new one instead of. So we don't, unfortunately, we don't take like repair from other salon, and we don't take a feel from others people work. I don't know if you are like a nail tech, you should consider as well. We love all our clients too, but if someone will come from like out of town or somewhere, we don't know what products they're working on, and we make sure that you, like if the clients something that happens that you don't know what products is underneath of it. So that is my way or opinions for my business, for the salon, to keep everybody in the same page and to make a clients happy, first of all, because they will expect to be fixed and it's going to be the same. It's never going to be the same when other people work. Hey, so I'm not using a precision glue. You okay? All right, so he said, I'm so boring here. Just talk to us.
No, he's sleeping.
Ah. Is it capping us over here? I'm gonna using this and then go through all the crack. I feel it. Ali, you feel it too, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You feel it too, like that. You feel scratchy right there. And when it feels scratchy like that, then you're gonna squeeze it in. Just squeeze just a little bit. Small little amount of precision glue go a long way. You don't need a whole lot because you don't want to flood them to the point that is flooded so bad to remove and it take away from the shine and the cut the crystals. And then I think I feel a little bit like extra than usual, so I'm gonna using the brush and give it this is the twin tip brush on the other end, and give it a quick swipe right here. So then when after the client's nails done and clear, it doesn't look like lumpy bumpy at all. It's gonna look flawless. Great. So we're gonna clear it for, I had a little bit wax residue, but I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna wipe it off. 60 seconds on this nails.